Hey gang, PourMan here, circling the globe to keep you, my friend, out of the Valentine's Day doghouse. So, if you tuned in last week's show, then my brother, you are already ahead of the game because you already have a couple of drinks real easy to make that you can make for your girl as part of this dinner so that you don't have to go to Zales and buy a $10,000 diamond brooch, okay? This is the one that you want her to drink before the meal. Now, it's real easy, and again, she doesn't want you to have to necessarily spend a ton of money. She wants you to put some thought into it. And so here, this is a nice little drink. And let's face it, if your girl's drinking champagne, she's happy and you're happy. And that's what it's all about, okay? This one is called the Valentine's Day Pomegranate Fizzy. And it's super simple to make. While you're doing all the other stuff, you don't want to have to think too much. So, it has 3 simple ingredients. 2 really, but one is just for a little savoir-faire, shall we say. First ingredient, the main ingredient, is a little bit of sparkling almond wine. And you can get this, not that expensive, and it's really tasty. We also have pomegranate juice, which I've taken the time of preloading into here for easy pour just for you. So now, do not skip this part. This is part of the show that is going to make you look like the dude that you are, okay? You want to be able to uncork a bottle of wine. Real easy. Take off the foil. You take off this little keeper downy thing, and then all you do, here's the secret. Don't shake it up. Not gonna help you a bit. All you do, simple rag right over the top, and here we go, watch this. See how easy this is? Boom. Do not skip this part. It's very effective. The whole pour of the champagne, that is part of the sexiness of this whole thing. Now, you're gonna do about 2/3 of your sparkling wine, and you can use champagne, of course you can. So you're gonna do about 2/3 sparkling. It's a little warm, so it's gonna fizz up more. About 2/3 champagne. You want more of that active ingredient in there because if she's drinking champagne, you're happy too, okay? Everybody's happy when she's drinking champagne. All right, so about 2/3 of that, and then just about 1/3 of your pomegranate juice. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Pomegranate is a fairly strong juice, so you don't want to use too much. Actually, we're going to go ahead and put a little bit more active ingredient there. Oh, look at that. Now, just for a little added savoir-faire, we're actually going to put a few pomegranate seeds right in there, okay? It doesn't get much easier than that, and yet look at that. What girl is not going to love that? And it's tasty too. Yum. So she's gonna love it. You're gonna love, well, you already love her. So she'll love it. She'll love you even more than she already does. And easy peasy, you're on your way to a nice meal and a great Valentine's Day, and you did not have to mortgage the house, okay? So to get the ingredients, to get the recipe, just go to pourmanmike.com. And if you push this button right over here, you'll instantly become a Pour Minion, which gives you a head of the line speed pass for each and every new PourMan adventure and some other cool stuff that's coming up very, very soon. So till next time, pour well, pour often, PourMan, and we will see you next Valentine's.